Is continuous tableting right for you? Hovione's pragmatic approach to bridging science with manufacturing is the key for the success of your drug product. Continuous tableting allows faster development, agile manufacturing, and robust control strategies, ultimately providing high-quality medicines in the most efficient way. How does continuous tableting work? The path to commercialization of your drug product begins on day one of development, and Hovione ensures the viability of the entire manufacturing process. The accuracy of the formulation strength is automatically controlled by the feeding process and is a critical step which ensures product quality. Precise mixing is continuously achieved in smaller volumes than typical batch blending. A second blending stage enables flexible mixing capability for unique external phase requirements. The tablet compression rate matches the powder flow rate in a contained compression module. The unique semi-continuous film coating ensures the tablets are coated gently and as fast as possible. The process is monitored and managed by a high level of automation and control to ultimately provide a window into product quality in real time. At Hovione, we are prepared to develop your product with continuous tableting at any stage of its life cycle. Find out today if continuous tableting is right for your product. The future is continuous. Hovione, in it for life.